In this video, I want to show you how to find a paper jam and how to fix a paper jam on your Epson XP-7100. So there's many different places where you can check. So first thing you can try is to, well, slide your finger over here and extend this paper input. Remove it completely, okay? If you pull it completely, it goes out this way. Now check under the printer over here to see if there's any stock debris, any stock paper. You can even put the printer on its backside, because this will give you access to those rollers. Sometimes paper gets stuck. These rollers are not able to grip the paper properly. And yeah, this is one of the places you can check. Additionally, you can also pull the second input tray. And now you're gonna have even better look if you didn't find any paper stock over there. This was the first place where you can check. I'll also show you another one. The next place you can check is on the back of the printer. Pinch these two gray clips, and now you'll be able to remove this part. And again, you may have some paper stock in these rollers, because these are supposed to grab the paper. Sometimes they don't grab it properly. And yeah, if you find something, simply remove it with your fingers or a pair of tweezers. Additionally, now you have a better look inside of the printer. So check over here again for any stock paper debris. Finally, if nothing was wrong in these two different places, there is one last place you can check. Open the top lid of your printer simply by putting your finger over here and lift this up. And now again, you're gonna have a pretty good view inside of the internals of this printer. If this carriage, all right, the carriage with the ink cartridges is not able to slide properly, it will give you that paper jam error. There's a good chance that some paper is stuck over here or under this carriage. So check it out, take some tweezers, remove it, and once you're done doing this, what I suggest is that you go on the back of the printer and you unplug the power cable. Remove it completely, wait 2 minutes, plug it back, and the error should go away by itself after you press the power button on the printer. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.